how to remotely access another Mac. So let's get started. First thing first, click on the Apple on the menu bar and select System Preferences. Now from there, simply tap on the sharing option. Now here you can set the level of remote access allowed to you Mac here in the sharing section. Now, screen sharing allows for a VNC connection that will mirror what your Mac screen is showing. This can even allow for a remote user to control your mouse. You can also have the option to require a password before allowing any remote control. Then in the file sharing option allows you to access your Mac's file directory. Here in these settings you can set which directories are available and which users have access. You will ask to enter your user password when turning this on, and the same password will be requested when connecting remotely as well. After that, on the remote login, it allows access to connect to your Mac using the SSH Secure Cell network protocol to connect to your machine privately via a public network. This protocol is how most file and system sharing programs are designed to work. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.